Our ability to use tools separates us from the animal kingdom, but the ability to use awesome super cool tools separates us from each other. In a good way, of course. After all, it's about working smarter, not harder, right? Now sit back, relax, and enjoy this presentation of technological astonishment.
This metal grinding is done using blades 100 levels sharper and stronger than anything you'll find around your house. I wonder what happens to all those metal shavings. Are they recycled? If you know the answer, let us know in the comments. The plastic injection molding process at work. What you are seeing here is responsible for so many of the everyday products we use.
Let's watch a bolt get fabricated, shall we? Just imagine the forces at work just to create a simple, everyday bolt like this. So much has to go right in this red-hot metal fabrication process to get the job done. It's amazing to watch this highly skilled crew operate all this heavy machinery to fashion this piece of metal into a commercially useful form. If you need to support some massive weight, you come to a shop like this for some high-strength cable like we see being spun here. These computer-operated wood carving machines can whip out intricate masterpieces that would take a craftsman months to do, and they can do it in literally minutes. Ask any old farmer. The advancement in harvest technology has come a long way in the last 50 years. Here we see the majestic coordination and fluidity of the modern harvest in this drone footage. I doubt you will find any more of a specialized vehicle than this. I dare you to think of another place to use this contraption outside of a rail yard. Go ahead, I'll wait.